Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got this tool that's quickly become one of my favorites. It's the Jorgensen Corner Easing Plane. And if you're into woodworking, carpentry, finished carpentry especially, and you need a tool to round off edges or maybe just add some chamfers, this could be what you're looking for. Let's talk a little bit more about it. So right off the bat, build quality. It's just a solid block of high-grade aluminum, and I love obviously the orange Jorgensen signature color. It's not only eye-catching, it feels solid in your hand. It weighs 16 ounces. We're all familiar with that weight, and it's light enough to use comfortably for long periods, but also heavy enough to kind of give you a little bit of heft when you're using it or momentum when making cuts. Perfect balance, if you ask me. The blade adjustment knob is a Now let's talk about the blades. This plane comes with 4 hardened 01 steel blades, not carbide unfortunately, but there's a blade for 45-degree chamfers, and then there are 3 for roundovers. The roundovers are 1/8 inch, 3/16, and 1/4 inch. All of these come sharp right out of the box, and I've been using them without any need to sharpen yet. While you're rounding over edges or adding chamfers, the plane's smooth. It's really nice to use. The action is effortless and the cuts come clean every time. No sanding required. I do sand a little bit with PVC, and I'll explain that a little bit because I always cut my fingers on the sharp edges of PVC. So I set this up with just a little chamfer or a roundover, like the 1/8 inch roundover, and I hit all the edges of my PVC, and it just takes the sharp edge off. I think it holds paint better if you're going to be painting. But sometimes the PVC, because of the cellular material of it, you do have to sand it a little bit smooth. So just keep that in mind. But this for me is a go-to plane for that. It's going to replace my Rockler wood plane. I had a Rockler version of this that you had set screws to adjust the depth of the setting, which I liked actually. But unfortunately they stopped selling it. I can't even get blades anymore. So this replaced my Rockler, which was my go-to for years. You know, one really nice feature that I haven't mentioned yet is what I call the trunk, or the storage. It's a built-in blade storage in the handle, and it stores 3 blades. It keeps everything organized, easy to access, stays shut, doesn't fall open. It's a really simple but clever design choice. So to sum this up, the tool is incredibly well made. It's lightweight, durable. It's been delivering consistent, clean results every time. So whether you're pro woodworker, carpenter, or just someone DIY, I think you'll find one of these tools more useful than you think. The Jorgensen plane, it has accessories. So you can get blade replacements if you want. There's a 3-pack of radius blades. You can get the 1/8, the 3/16, and the 1/4 sizes. Overall though, if you're looking for something reliable and versatile, this is going to save you time and effort, especially working with PVC or just hitting the edges on something. It's a game changer for me, and I'm sure it'll be for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, hit the like button if you found this review helpful. Subscribe, and please hit the notification bell as well. And also, let me know if you have any comments. If you've used this plane before or you're planning to use this plane, I'd be curious how long the blade sharpness lasts. So let me know about that. I'm using it on PVC, so I'm going to guess it's probably going to dull pretty fast. But we'll find out, won't we? All right, guys, I'll catch you next time. Take care.